When it comes to naming or numbering parts, assets, or inventory in general, there are many valid approaches. What really matters in the end is how easily your users can find what they need. If they need sticky notes on their monitor to decode your system, it's not working. Most approaches to naming conventions boil down to just a few styles. Generally a noun with some qualifiers, or an intelligent versus non-intelligent set of numbers. But first ask the question, are we talking about the record number itself or the description field? Each field has a very different purpose. A record number should usually be just a simple sequential number. Avoid smart numbers that include location or vendor details, because when things change, your number now becomes inaccurate. Store that intelligence in other fields on the record. It's tempting to copy a vendor's catalog number, but vendors change their systems often. Instead, keep your own simple number and store vendor references inside the record. This way, nothing breaks when vendors change their codes. The description field of the record is where most users search. A noun attribute format like pump, water, 3-inch makes the record findable. If descriptions are inconsistent or unclear, searches will not return the right results for the users. This approach is not just for spare parts. Assets, job plans, inspection templates, and even service requests benefit from clear and consistent descriptions. Naming standards can guide you. For example, the national stock numbers are widely used in government and the military. Construction entities often use Uniformat or even Omniclass, while vehicle fleets rely upon VMRS codes. These standards add structure and consistency to your data. Take, for example, the national stock number. It's 13 digits long, with the first 4 identifying the item class and the next 9 making each record unique. It's smart enough to be useful, but stable enough not to change. Think of a description like plug, spark, 0.25 millimeters. That's far more searchable than just plug as a description. Adding modifiers and attributes means users can quickly find exactly what they need. Systems like Maximo let you build classifications with attributes. A pump record might include type, size, liquid, and a power source. This generates consistent descriptions automatically, making searches much more reliable. Assets may be replaced or relocated, while locations stay constant. That's why it's often best to separate asset numbers from location IDs. Piping and instrumentation diagrams, or P&IDs, are a great source for naming locations. From a practical standpoint, you don't have to adopt a global standard. The best approach is the one that works for your users and in your industry. Whichever you choose, make sure it's well documented and implemented consistently. Start by researching what standards your industry might use. Then see what your CMMS or EAM system can support. And if needed, bring in experts to save some time, avoid some headaches, and ensure a long-term success.